Hey, we're fishing Fox River. One of my favorite spots on the Fox. Here with Jack. And we haven't hit this spot in quite a while. It's been a couple years, but the water is nice and high. Already caught one smallmouth. Hoping for another one. Probably on a third cast, but haven't seen anything. I'm using this. A Meps Aglia Long. Number 1, with some rainbow scale. This is always a go-to bait of mine. On rivers, gets a lot of nice flash. The river is high, got a lot of rain in Wisconsin and Waukesha. Which hopefully means there's going to be some bigger fish holding in here because the pool's a little bit deeper. Fishing in front of the bridge, you want to look, you can see. There's a big pool right in front of the pilings. There's a bridge down there, it gets a lot of traffic, hiking, a lot of hikers. Not a lot of people know about this particular spot. But it is a very beautiful part of the river. You get something here. A small bridge down there, pedestrian bridge. I know that they catch a lot of bass down there too. This whole stretch of river is good for smallmouth. Go a little bit bigger. With that thing, I'd cast it down over towards that log. See what you got over there. Oh yeah. Yeah, be careful. There's something going across the river right there. Yeah, it looks like a snake. That's exactly what it looks like. Yep, that's a snake. Did you see it jump in?